yes, the Surface Table exists, and this is what it looks like. This was a project way before the Surface tablets, with the goal of being an interactive table that could be used by multiple people at any given time. It was a first of its kind because the UI was designed in a certain way that it would work no matter what orientation you were looking at the table. Now, this is my table. I bought this for myself in my own office. It's been used, as you can tell. These are 10 years old after all. Mine's got a few scratches here and there, but it's in fully working order, and these are very rare to come by these days, so I'm actually pretty chuffed with its current condition. Now, the Surface Table itself is, since it's 10 years old, it's running an Intel Core 2 Duo with Windows Vista, but it's a modified version of Windows Vista. It's not the Windows Vista that you are expecting, although there is there if you want it. It actually boots into an entirely different shell. It boots into something called the Surface shell, and when you boot it up, it looks just like this. By the way, that fan you can hear is the Surface Table. This is a loud device when on, so I wouldn't recommend using one of these in, say, a quiet office or something. So the main benefit of the table, apart from its UI being usable from any angle, is the fact that it could also see not just fingers but objects. So I can draw these ribbons here on the table, for example, and then I could put a cup down, and the cup, well, the table will see the cup and actually react to it. So you can see the ribbons are now